Hey guys, so we just found an opening here. Not sure how much of it we can get through to see inside, but watch your head. In my back. Alright guys. So maybe not sure how much we're going to be able to explore in here. It kind of smells like trash. I wish we had like masks. I mean, no, I mean it smells good, but it's like probably bad for you.
It's like a barn smell.
Yeah, I mean, yeah.
Just
But
a bunch of chairs and swings and doors.
Still on a broken chair now.
I don't know if this door connects to the
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Like,
there's a door here though. What's in there?
just I think it's just the same room that's over there. It's kind of interesting. These are the worst things to be standing on right now.
Yeah, rusted old pipes.
Yeah, nice. Nice.
A bunch of.
Oh, there's opening right there.
Oh, it's like a vault.
Give me a flashlight.
Dang. Is it big?
No, it's literally stairs.
Stairs?
Right here.
Oh, it's right under the stairs.
There's stairs underneath too.
Really?
Underneath this. Yeah.
Alright, let's go back around. This is pretty cool. Shopping carts, yeah.
Huge tire. Yeah.
Oh yeah. Actually, that door is not open. That just goes outside though. Little basement area here. Look at this door. It's a serious door.
Seriously, right?
Yeah, seriously. This is pretty cool. I have no idea what any of this stuff is. Just a little den area. This is like the control room. Look at this.
You know, like a boiler or something?
Yeah, something like that. Whoa. Oh! Jeez.
Look over here. It's not trash that's on the ground. Like, I wonder if they like shoveled like coal in there or something.
Probably. Is there a date on there? Anywhere. I don't see anything. I did not think we'd find an entrance into this building. I feel like duck here. Another little bench.
You can hear people upstairs.
Hopefully they're not coming in.
From this bench. Oh, there's
Yeah.
like lights over here.
Yep.
There's a-
Wow, look at all those cans.
Oh, this is that room, I think. No, I know. Yeah.
Jeez. People were getting lit in this room.
Yeah. He literally just stuffed all the trash in here.
Dude, don't just step on them. Trying to be quiet here. Mountain Dew, like it's like the one Mountain Dew can in here.
That's like really kind of like old. Not like
Yeah.
that old, but it's like somewhat old.
Oh yeah, that says high pressure boiler right there
Right? Yeah, right
on
there.
that pipe.
Kefir bottle in here.
Nice.
I don't know if any of you heard of that. Should we try that door? It probably just goes outside.
It's boarded.
Oh, nice. Look at this. The American Laundry Machinery. Maybe where they have their
Laundry?
Oh, here's that room. There's like a wheelchair in that.
Mm-hmm.
And some are those like ticket holders or what is that?
I don't know.
Cages.
Tickets to get wheelchairs.
Yeah. Okay, so Matt's gonna try and go ahead and go down to this little. Well, I'm gonna go follow him, but
This ladder's pretty sturdy. So this is inside the vault.
the vault. Yeah.
The vault. It's kind of a vault.
This is like a not a vault, but
Well, the door.
the door kind of.
This is inside that little room.
This is the inside of that little room we checked out earlier.
And then through this window, if you look down here, there's this little sketchy ladder that I'm climbing on. It goes on to an existing
Tons of bugs.
staircase.
Look at all these bugs in here, folks.
Yeah, careful how you breathe.
Careful how you breathe, folks. So, is there anything down there?
Yeah, dude, it's like a cellar down here. This is crazy. Onto an existing staircase. Down to that. Whoa! It's flooded.
Oh shoot! I mean,
How are we gonna get down there? Like I stepped on this raft thing.
look at all that water. Yeah,
I almost fell in the water.
this raft thing. Dang, I'm trying to film as much as you can down there. What's down there? Like a garage?
I can't tell. It smells pretty bad though. I'm gonna try to
What?
just
That's
like walk
like
on this
pure
as far
water.
as far as I can go.
That's gray water.
Is this like the sewer? Like the old people's poop down here?
What are you gonna try and do?
Not get wet.
I mean, you just like broke
I'm still dry.
Okay, for how much longer?
Dude, we need like some rain boots so we can walk through this. Wouldn't that be cool?
Oh yeah, I mean that would be cool. Like some fisherman boots. Wait, these are mosquitoes, I think, because all this water down here.
It doesn't look like there's much down there. I see a table.
These are all mosquitoes. Holy frick, we're gonna get bit if we just stand around. These are literally all mosquitoes. I don't know if you guys can ever even tell, but that's what they are. Do you need this?
Just small window. Get through.
Do you need help? Here. Okay, cool.
Look at that ladder, dude.
Oh, what, did it fall or something?
It fell down.
Oh my. Sorry, Eddie, future people. You're not gonna see that trash down there. Oh my gosh. Anyway.
Dude, that hurt my shin. I was like right getting over the window, and my shin was like right on the.
Oh my gosh.
I'm good.
I'm so sweaty now after that.
In the light, the flashlight.
Yeah.
That opening in the roof is really cool.
Yeah.
Well, not a whole lot here, but still a little cool building here.
Yeah.
Too bad it doesn't connect. But I mean, I didn't expect it to, so at least we still got in something.
Yeah, for sure. Again, this is like a nursing home area. And it was abandoned.
Well, it's connected to a nursing home.
It's connected to a nursing home. But this is just like the
This probably would have been like
boiler area facilities
Yeah.
or something. I don't know.
it's a women's bathroom right there. What is that?
Sandcastle building materials. What?
They don't fall again.
Fall like that stuff that you're stepping on, just like. What did you step on? There's a bus right there. So
Oh, there's some glass right here.
oh, there is. Oh, nice. You just broke glass. Oh, here. How's your foot?
It's good. This is awesome. Yeah, there's glass right down there.
So anyway, guys, that's the end of the video here. Thanks for checking it out. This is a small little building here to a larger abandoned area, but we couldn't get to the area. But it's fine.
Nursing home.
Nursing home. But it was still interesting to explore. Check out this little spot.
We're just glad we got in.
Yeah, everywhere else was boarded up. So if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to rate, comment, and subscribe. Tell all your friends about it. I'll catch you guys in the next video, which will probably be soon. Peace out.